Hi everyone, I am Dr. John Nesan, maxillofacial surgeon, founder director of C.T.A.R.S. I welcome you all for the 9th World Dental and Oral Health Conference, which is going to be conducted in Chennai on August 27th and 28th, 2022. Now, we are conducting a pre-conference program on basics in conventional implantology, a digital approach, where we're going to be applying virtual planning and teaching you all about technology and how you use it for your implant practice. We're going to cover topics like the basics in ornamentarium, the CBCT interpretation, how you plan and treat work on with your digital technology. It's going to be a hands-on, not just on dummy models, but also on the software. So you'll get the best of all the worlds with you, and we will also have a live demo sessions will be going on. Looking forward to seeing you all for the pre-conference workshop. It's going to be held on 25th of August at the C.T.A.R.S office. Thank you and have a great day.